You are welcome back to my channel. Today we have a lovely question to solve. Very easy. I just want us to use this my whole body. Okay. So the question says that if AB is 4 cm, please, this is not drawn to scale. If AB is 4 cm and this is a square, we are asked to find the area of the shaded portion. If AB is 4 cm, we are asked to find the area of the shaded portion. Okay, let's add more information to this drawing. If this is AB, let's call this C and call this D. So this is center O, all right, and this place is equal to this place. Okay, all right, because the whole of this is 4 cm. It means that half of it should be 2 cm. So here is 2 cm and here is 2 cm as well. Now let's call this meeting point, their meeting point, let's call it N. Let's call this center P. This is the center of the smaller circle. Let's call this place K. All right. So first, let's join K, P, N, O. Let's use a straight line to join K, P, N, O. So if we do that, we'll have this. We'll have that, okay? And having done that, we have formed a rectangle. So rectangle DCOK. DCOK. So let's find the area of the rectangle. Remember that this is a square. As a result, the four sides are equal. Okay. Now, it means that DC is also 4 cm. And DA is also 4 cm as well. But this is the center of what? DA. So it means that here is 2 and here is 2 cm as well. So it means that area of rectangle DCOK, area of a rectangle is length times breadth. So it means that the area will be equal to, area of DCOK will be equal to the length is 4 and the breadth is 2. So area of DCOK then will be 8 centimeter squared. So we're going to keep that one side. Now let's find area of half of this circle, this smaller circle. So area of half of the circle will be equal to pi r squared divided by 2. Because area of a circle is pi r squared. But this is half of a circle, so it should be pi r squared divided by 4. So this is pi times. So the problem here is how to find the radius of this smaller circle. Now this center happens to be the middle of this particular rectangle. Okay, they met at the center of this rectangle. All right, so it means that from here to here will be half of this length, which is 2. So it means that the diameter of the smaller circle is 2 centimeters. So the radius then happens to be the half of the diameter, which will be 2 divided by 2, which will give us 1 cm. So the radius of the smaller circle is 1 centimeters. Therefore, the area will be pi times 1 squared divided by 2, which will give us pi over 2, because 1 squared is still 1. Okay, so we have pi times 1 is pi divided by 2 centimeter squared. Now, let's find area of the quarter circle. This is a semicircle, so half of it will be quarter of the circle. So area of the quarter of the circle will be equal to pi r squared over 4. Okay, so let's talk about the radius. Remember that BC is the diameter of this circle, and if BC is 4 cm, half of it, which happens to be the radius, is 2 cm. So radius of this quarter circle is, the radius of the circle is what? Is 2 cm. So it's going to be pi times 2 squared divided by 2. Please hit the subscription button. I almost forgot. Turn on your notification bell. If this is the first time you are seeing this lovely channel, give us a thumbs up if you love what we are doing. Thank you very much. So here we have, over 4. So we are going to have pi times 4 all over 4, right? So that 4 will divide itself to give us 1 times pi is pi. So centimeter squared. So it means that the area of the quarter circle is pi centimeter squared. So let's go ahead and write those things down. So area of the rectangle DCOK is 8 centimeter squared, 8 cm squared. Area of half circle is pi over 2 centimeter squared, pi over 2 cm squared. And then area of the quarter circle is pi cm squared, pi cm squared. Now, why did we find these areas? It's very easy. Remember that we are asked to find the area of the shaded part of this square. So area of the shaded part can be found using this formula. So the area of the shaded part will be equal to, now we are going to ignore this side of the drawing and concentrate on the rectangle DCOK. Okay, so that full rectangle, to get the area of the shaded portion, will be area of a rectangle DCOK minus area of the sum of the area of this half circle and the quarter circle. So area of half circle plus area of quarter circle. Okay, so if we solve this further, we'll have area of the shaded is equal to area of DCOK is going to be, we have gotten it as 8 centimeter squared. So 8 minus area of the half circle is pi over 2. Pi over 2 plus area of the quarter circle is pi over 1. So area of the shaded portion will be equal to 8 minus, now the LCM is 2. 2 divides 2 is 1. 1 times pi is pi. Plus, if 1 divides 2 is 2, 2 times pi is 2 pi. So area of the shaded portion is 8 minus 3 pi divided by 2 centimeter squared. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video.